than the rain. I starve for the silence that lingers in my brain. I find my own way, nobody's home. The lights are still bright, smoking out the window. I never feel alone when I smoke alone at night. But please don't worry about me, I'm alright. I stopped picking up the phone, so please don't try to call me tonight. I don't know how to be more than enough. I want you to want me, and I feel like you must. We're better off as strangers, lost to the drift. To tell the truth, I've never known how to be someone to miss. Deep down I care, but I know when I have to go, I won't make you stay, 'cause the rain always follows me home. There's nothing louder than the quiet nights. The dying warmth from their arms, you let the flood seep inside. I don't need your sorries, I don't need your goodbye, I don't need your closure, just forget me in time. I'll be long gone, so please don't try to find me when I finally make something of my life. Cut the strings I made too tight. The love you were giving me, I have to untie. Don't say you love me, then tell me you lied. I'd rather be on my own and still alone by your side. I just wanna be somebody, I just wanna find home. Don't you dare come back now, 'cause I'll already be gone before the last drop of rain falls from above. Please know that I tried, please know I must go. Oh, I wanna go home, I wanna go home. Take me home, please don't ask me to stay, 'cause the rain always follows me home. Home, home. The rain follows me everywhere I go, everywhere I go. Please don't follow me out the door, I don't wanna be me anymore. Don't you dare shed a tear when I disappear. Well, you should have been here when I was still here. Take me home, take me home, take me home. I wanna go home, I wanna find home. There's nothing